Hi, I'm Steve Jones and I'm going to tell you why a proton has a charge of 1. Well, actually I'm not. I'm going to show you that actually a proton doesn't have a charge of 1 at all, but we just say it does. Overall, when we're looking at different things in physics, what we have to do is say how big something is. And if I said to you, you have a height of 4.5, you might say, well, what does that mean? I have a height of 4.5. Well, it means actually nothing. You could say you have a height of 2 meters. You could say you have a height of 6 feet. You could say you have a height of 190 centimeters. These are meaningful statements. So to say a proton has a charge of 1 is not a meaningful statement. But it is meaningful if you define what you mean by 1. And really, what the statement says, a proton has a charge of 1 electronic charge. That is, it has the same charge as the charge on an electron. There is a big difference though, and the big difference is that a proton has 1 positive charge, an electron has 1 negative charge. And this charge of 1 for the proton is actually a charge of plus 1.6 times 10 to the minus 19 coulombs. That is the electronic charge. Therefore, that is the charge also on the proton. So, it is a convenient way to describe the charge. If I always have to write this number, am I going to remember it? I've got 2 protons. I've got 2 electronic charges, or a total charge of, well, 3.2 times 10 to the minus 19 coulombs. Now can you see why I say a proton has a charge of 1? So this is for our convenience. So for our convenience, a charge of 1 means 1 electronic charge. So this is why we say a proton has a charge of 1.